use those smaller examples. When you ask someone, right, who do you know? Give them a couple of examples of who you're looking for, right? Be a little bit more specific about that when you're looking into it. So, hey,
and these here, these are all the documents that we've been using, we've been talking about, and I see things popping up in the chat again, family, but the first one is making our list. That's out there in Ellis Engage, and it's under the resource tab for, I think it's under full service. It might be under network as well. But this is where it gives you some categories or industries that you can think about if you think you're running dry on thoughts. Then the second, number 2 and number 3, these are our documents that we're handing out. Number 2 is our hello sheet. These are found on Staples in the associatestore.com. It's called Consumer Sheet or Consumer Prospecting Sheet. And number 3 is when we get the appointment. That's our, number 2 is prospecting. Number 3 is Consumer Sheet. So when you go out there, those are the 2 documents that you want to have. So when you're walking your community or they say, can you send me something? You're going to send them number 2. And you're going to have your information. They can be customized to put your information on them. And then when they give you the appointment or you get that appointment, number 3 is the one you're going to take back with you. And that's where you're going to have the conversation. Because inside number 3 on the left is the business plans. On the right would be the individual or group plans. So that's what we take when we go to that appointment. Number 4 is in Ellis Engage, under resources, under business solutions, group folder, is where they're the interactive flyer. Now that they made a decision to let us talk to their employees, here's the interactive flyer that tells what that coverage is and what that rate is. It's customizable. You can put it whether it's